Hello, everybody. It's another week on. This week has been very much revolving around the complete collapse in the testing within the care homes. Absolutely shocking, outrageous, pathetic. We've been told all sorts of different things. How many tests are actually being done, but the reality is, what's turned out is that they've moved people away who were doing the tests in Lincolnshire, and they seem to have deployed them elsewhere. It's really causing us a very big problem now. For example, individuals started coughing on, I think, Saturday or Sunday, and we're still at a point where we have not had back a test. The test didn't go out for a couple of days, then it was done, and so on. We don't have any spare testing kit at this moment in time. SOS, Minister, whichever minister that one should be relating all of this to, because I'm lost now. It's a shambles. And I think it was utterly ridiculous to learn just what a shambles it was through the BBC. I think it was on Thursday when we were already experiencing all of this. So that's causing us a massive amount of problem, this whole thing around testing. The other thing that's causing us a massive amount of problem is wrong information that's coming out of 111. For example, we call to say that somebody has a cough, and the next thing is we're being told we've got to shut down the whole home. We cannot keep shutting down homes because somebody has a cough. We can't get tests to prove that that cough is not COVID. It's a mess. It's a shambles. Nobody's thinking any of this stuff out whatsoever. We went into it in our micro meeting today, our micro Cobra meeting today, and we went into a lot of detail. I don't want to repeat it all, but it's just really not clever. We've got young support workers who are phenomenal. They join to be able to support your sons, my daughter, and your daughters, and essentially these guys are being stuck in lockdown because we can't verify that a cough, which we know is a cold, is that. So anyway, and they're getting fed up, and it's not reasonable, and it's now impacting also on our sons and daughters because they are not able to go out to the extent that they were going out before, etc., etc. And just operating in this blind fashion after all of this time, it's just pathetic. I'm sorry, completely pathetic. Anyway, we're trying to do our best. We've also now written to Public Health England, and we're saying we're not going to accept this 111 sort of advice to lock down a home when somebody just has a cough if we believe that it's a cold. We put into place a different process, which we will follow. We sent it to that. We sent it to Public Health England, and we said, look, tell us if we're wrong. And I understand that other organisations have started to do the same thing as well. Shambles, shambolic, no guidance, no nothing. And at the same time, we're now told that CQC inspectors are going to be coming into homes and they're not going to have been tested for COVID-19. What on earth is going on here? Yeah, they are going to be wearing PPE. I see Kate Taroney, who is the chief inspector, sending out an email today or message today to all providers saying that it's unreasonable effectively to challenge inspectors and ask if they've had a test and all sorts of things. And at the end, she says, basically says that they're going to come in and they'll treat anybody who sort of challenges them almost hostile from the way sort of the tone of the thing that she said. And then at the end, she says, trust us. Why the heck should we trust them? What is it that Kate Taroney or any of these people know about COVID-19 that they're not telling us, And the answer is it's all a nonsense. Nobody seems to know. It's a mess. But don't worry, we will get through all of this. Good times will come again. And I have to say that having got under the bonnet of our organisation and seeing all the challenges and everything, it was amazing on Wednesday when we met up with the registered managers and we read up with all the locality managers who are actually picking up shifts at the moment to really keep things going. The morale is just fantastic. It really is. And I'm so grateful to our fantastic staff. Really am absolutely brilliant, to the whole management team and everybody that's committed behind this. And this could just be a lesson. Make it local, make it personal, encourage people to do things, give them some ownership, and everything actually will turn out all right in the end. And so on that very happy note, I want to wish you all a very happy weekend and a great week coming along. We're there taking the flak on all this nonsense, and we will be doing our utmost to really push the agendas and to move it all forward. And actually, we do have possibly have Channel 4 ITN coming to see us next week as a result of various tweets we've been putting out there. Let's see if it happens, but it may be, even if it does happen, that we might be on national television. So if it happens, that will be great. But thank you all very much, and rest assured we're doing our best. Thank you. Bye-bye.